In this video, you're gonna discover 20 million traffic for literally free, and just take a look at how many downloaded that all this file gotten. So just imagine if your file can be downloaded this much. So can you imagine how much money that you could possibly make? So this is 100% free traffic. I'm going to reveal to you the sites, so stick around until the end of this video. So in this video, you're going to discover how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing by utilizing 100% free traffic. You will probably do this method even if you are a beginner, or even if you are downright stuck on driving free traffic, and even if you have no idea how to get those free traffic on the internet. All right, so I want to make sure it's newbie friendly. I want to make sure everyone can follow the step, follow through until the end of this video, so that you will be able to driving as much free traffic as possible for your affiliate offer. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be utilizing Clickbank as our affiliate source. So just head off to Clickbank, and then we're going to be promoting e-business and ebook product. So we're going to be promoting affiliate marketing to be exact. So just click on affiliate, and then I'm going to sort by gravity. So why we want to sort by gravity? Because we want to be promoting a most sold product. Okay, so as you can see here, this product has 136 gravity. It's literally mean that 136 affiliates are currently promoting this product, and they are making money. So we just want to promote a very high converting product so that we can make money with affiliate marketing as fast as possible. Okay, so what we want to do next is I'm going to click on the affiliate JV page. So we want to find a report or an ebook, a free ebook that we can give it for free, because we want to have people to download our ebook, and then we're going to put our affiliate link on that ebook, right? So that is basically what we are going to do in this video. So I'm going to scroll down to find any ebook. So this is grab swipe here. This is not the ebook, this is funnel. So click here for more great marketing tools, and then let's take a look at this file, whether we can find any free ebook or any free article or report, right? So you can scroll down. We try to find it in this page first, but it is completely okay if you couldn't find anything in your affiliate JV page, because I'm going to reveal to you another cool method on how to get those files. So unfortunately, we will not be able. This file is more to like strategy. So what you can do next is just go ahead to Google and just type in free PLR, right? So we're going to find any PLR ebook. So freeplrdownloads.com, right? So what does it mean? So actually PLR stands for private label, right? Means that you can literally download have the PLR license, so you can do literally anything to that ebook or to that files, right? So this is PLR. It's not necessarily free, because we are land over to free PLR download, so we can get it for free. But if some of the site maybe require you to pay a little bit amount of money, like a couple of dollars, in order to get access to the PLR site, right? So you can do whatever you want. We can give it away for free. We can charge, we can bundle it, we can package with another PLR product or whatsoever, right? Because in this strategy, we're going to give it away the PDF ebook for free. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to sort it by free PLR ebooks, or you can also do it with free PLR article. But in this particular video, I'm going to go for free PLR ebooks only. So you're going to see bunch of the PLR article available or PLR ebook available here. So this one is free PLR ebook for super affiliate, right? So this one is publishing mistake. So we wanted to find anything that related to affiliate marketing, because we are going to be promoting this product that related to affiliate marketing. All right, so I'm going to take a look at this ebook over here. All right, so this is the ebook. So just take a look at, okay, it contains 72 pages. So it has private label right license. All right, so cool. So we're going to download this ebook, and then we're going to get our affiliate link to embedded with our ebook. Okay, so while I'm downloading the ebook, so what we can do next is you can go to PDF editor, right? So type in PDF editor on Google, and then you're going to choose the one that this one, okay, www.sajda.com. so we're going to open the PDF editor, because later on we're going to edit this ebook. We're going to insert our affiliate link, right? Just take a look at our ebook here. All right, cool. So this is our affiliate ebook. I'm going to zoom it out a little bit. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm going to take this ebook, put it on my desktop. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is just simply upload the PDF file and then click open. So we're going to insert our affiliate link in this ebook. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, I'm going to insert the affiliate link on this underneath of every page. Okay, so what you can do here is I'm going to take a look at the vendor page first. So we're going to go here, the 12-minute affiliate system. All right, who else want to make 50% commission? Okay, up to 360.98 per sale. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the affiliate page. It just requires 3 simple steps: activate the system, get done for pizza traffic, make sales while you sleep. Okay, so maybe I'm going to get this keyword here because we want to have something that grabbing attention title so that we can put underneath of the article, underneath of the page. Okay, so maybe I'm going to get this article over here, get done for you pizza, activate, right? Just simple step, make your sale while you sleep, make money while you sleep. All right, so I'm going to edit it as make money while you sleep. So type in make money while you sleep. Okay, so because it has a free presentation, so we're going to put something free as well. I'm going to put in free presentation, make money while you sleep, right? So I'm going to highlight it. Okay, I'm going to change the color to make it more compelling. Maybe I'm going to change it to blue, or maybe dark blue. All right, cool. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to insert the link affiliate to this particular text over here. So in order to do that, you need to select or maybe you can simply select, or maybe you can simply highlight it, select all, and then put the link. Add link by making an arrow selection on the page. All right, so we're gonna need to select this area. Okay, for example, like this one. Okay, cool. So I'm going to link to external URL. I'm going to put my affiliate link here. So I'm going to go back to Clickbank and then click promote, and then I'm going to put it here like maybe PDF drive. Okay, so I'm going to generate hot link, and then I'm going to click copy, and then I'm going to put it here. Okay, paste, and then right, so I'm going to click enter. Okay, cool. So apply change. Okay, before that, so this is just one link, so I'm not going to waste your time. I don't want to drag this video for too long. So what you're gonna need to do next is you need to insert your affiliate link to every page that available here. All right, so this report, if I'm mistaken, it has like 64, right? 64, 65. So you need to do it all of this page, okay, until 72 page. Okay, you need to do the exact same thing, so that every time people go through the article, and if they are interested, they're going to click on the link here, and then they're going to redirect to your affiliate page, and then you're going to, if they purchase, you're going to make money. All right, so I'm going to click apply changes, and then I'm going to wait. So I'm going to click download. Okay, it's downloaded. So let's take a look at our ebook. Okay, this is the ebook, and then we're going to find the link. Okay, this is the link. So I'm going to click on the link. Let's take a look whether it's working or not. All right, cool. So it redirect to the page, affiliate page. Okay, so once people buy from your affiliate page, you're going to make a commission. Okay, so I hope it makes sense to you. So now, where are we going to get access to the massive traffic that I talk about, right? So before I go through the sites, I would highly appreciate if you could drop some likes to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, so we're going to go back to Google and type in PDF drive. Okay, so this is the site that going to help us to get so many download and then end up with making a sale. All right, so what you need to do is you need to type in affiliate marketing. So you're going to see a bunch of affiliate related marketing ebook that available here. Just take a look at all the download here. 32,000 download, 11,000 download, 5,000, 7,000, so many downloads. All right, so means that this topic is very hot. Okay, so many people are interested to make money with affiliate marketing, and then they're going to land over this site. They're going to search for the product or for the information, and then they want to consume, they want to know more about affiliate marketing. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to upload the file that we just created just now on this site, and then when people search for affiliate marketing, when they found our product, our ebook, they're going to download and go through, and then they're going to click the link, and when they make a sale, make a purchase, you're going to get a commission, right? So I've signed up. You can sign up for literally free. There's no credit card information required or no investment needed or whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click upload. So I'm going to upload my file. So let's take a look at I think it is somewhere here in the download file. All right, this is the one. So I'm going to choose file, I'm going to go to download, and then click open. Okay, so I'm going to edit something here, maybe like I want to take a look at the headline: breakthrough software users for free, sales technology, generate sales while you are stuck, comfortable impact. Right, so I'm going to copy this one to make it a bit compelling. Super affiliate marketing ages, going to put dash here to generate sales while you are stuck comfortably in bed. Okay, so I'm going to click I'm not a robot, and then simply click upload here. So as you can see, it has uploaded here, super affiliate marketing ages to generate sales while you're stuck comfortably at bed, right? So that is how you're going to get access to all this massive traffic on PDF Drive site, guys. So I hope you take action, and I hope you like this video, and give this video, drop some like on this video, because it does help my algorithm as well. And I just want to share you a little hack how to actually double down your effort. You can actually download as much ebook, as much article as possible on this site, so that you can get most traffic. So you will be able to make even more money by having a multiple document, multiple ebook on these sites. All right. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. All right. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.